Hello and welcome back as we continue to look closer at more of our products. It's always important to have backup power during an emergency no matter where you live, so a lot of our customers will get a NEMA L14-30 inlet box installed. Sometimes they are unable to connect the generator they are using or just need a small amount of power, so they will pull power from a household outlet on a generator. In order to do so, you would need AD515L1430. Again, let's start by breaking down the name. AD stands for adapter. We add those letters to our product's name since it can be used for a variety of different things. 515 represents the NEMA 515 male plug, and L1430 represents the NEMA L1430 female connector. The NEMA L1430 female connector will allow you to connect to your L1430 inlet box. The NEMA 515 male end will allow you to connect a household extension cord to your generator. Just remember, you will only be allowed to pull up to 1,875 watts from your generator with this adapter. Next, we will examine some of its features. The best part is that it is compact and durable. It fits in your hand, it can take a beating. You will notice that the male plug side doesn't have the standard copper appearance. We plate the pins and terminals of this adapter with nickel to make it extra heavy duty. This helps prevent corrosion, whereas copper, which is normally the standard, corrodes more quickly. Don't worry, nickel is still very conductive and won't hinder the performance of the plug and connector. If you have any questions about this adapter or other adapters we carry, please leave us a comment down below. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thank you for watching.